Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I decided to kind of make a video where I only am filming on my camcorder. This was my first camera that I've ever gotten. My dad bought it for me and absolutely love this. This is the highlight of the whole camera, just this. Currently I'm recording on my phone. I know this video is supposed to be mainly recorded on this, but I've kind of been dabbling with both because I want to see how I want to capture my content. I do like recording on my phone because I'm able to just put it in selfie mode, even though selfie mode kind of also sucks, but whatever. But it's easy to pull up my phone and start recording than it is with a camera, especially in public. But I think, I don't know, I want to play around with this, see what I can capture. I absolutely love this flip so much. But yeah, I'm starting to get back into using it. I also found the charger because I did lose it. So now I'm starting to use it a little bit more. And yeah. So that is the quick little intro, I guess. Let's get back to the video. This is the fit for today. I have the sweats, and then I have jewelry, some EVRY jewelry rings on my finger.
Dimitri, my coordination is 1 month away. Why do we have to practice now?
The rehearsal is so that everything will be perfect. Princess, what a beautiful coronation dress you are wearing. Who may I ask designer?
You did, Mr. Elegante.
Sure.
Okay, I had to get my phone. Ran up so many flights of stairs. My gosh. Okay, you're about to see what I've been waiting for all day. I don't know if this is the book or if it's just like my other Amazon package, my slippers. But look outside. That's my package. That is my package. And it's raining. Oh my god, it's soaked. Oh my god. Oh! Please tell me it's not my book. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Here she is. Okay. This video is probably going to be a really honest one because I'm going to be showing a certain product that I feel like kind of helps. But I've been using this for my underarms to help with the smell, and it actually works. It's not bad. So I've been using it. This is the second bottle I got. I got a cleanser. I already have a cleanser, but one of those like small bottles that are travel size because I used it for the last time I traveled. So I decided to get a big bottle. Then I needed sunscreen. So I got I got this tinted sunscreen, and again it's Neutrogena. This poor thing has gone through so much, but I am in love. I still haven't finished King of Sloth. Is it next to me? No, it's on my night table. Still haven't finished it. Not even close. But I pre-ordered this in December and I wasn't gonna cancel because I currently have like all 5 books. And I believe there's gonna be a 6th one, and I'm still debating in my head if I'm gonna actually like buy it or not, because maybe this is unpopular opinion. I'm sorry, but this series is just not my favorite. Twisted series was so much better. I find it had a lot of more action. King of Sins, yeah, King of Sins series, it just feels a little too real, because this one is gonna be marriage, where she's marrying, this isn't a spoiler, I don't think. No, it's not a spoiler. But she's marrying someone, and then the main character guy comes in and says, no, he's not the right one for you. And then there was another marriage one, that was book 3. That one, they got a divorce. And then, but they got a divorce because they weren't communicating. And then they got back together. I'm gonna be real with you. This series is just not my favorite. I think my favorite book out of the whole series was probably the second one, which was with Kai Young. That one I thought was really cute, really fun. I enjoyed it. The first book was good too, actually. Wait, maybe the first book was my favorite. Well, okay, both of them were my favorite. Because the first book had Marriage of Convenience, which I don't hate that trope. I actually do like that trope. My favorite trope, though, is enemies to lovers, obviously. But Marriage of Convenience, I feel like it needs to have a hitting reason. The reason needs to make sense. And I feel like with the first book, forgot the name of it. It's on my shelf. I should just look. King of Wrath. The first book, it did really well with kind of having that marriage of convenience. It wasn't too bad. And then you have King of Pride, which is the second book. You see how I remember the name of that book? Yeah, because it was pretty good. King of Pride, that one, I think I think they weren't enemies, I don't think. I want to say force proximity, but I don't think they were really well, point is, I like that one too. Forced proximity trope, I don't mind. It's okay. I think the most tropes that I hate is love triangle. I'm so over it. Did that when I was like, read those types of books when I was 10, 12, whatever. No, don't want to do that anymore. And then the second trope that I hate is obviously the pregnancy, the surprise pregnancy. That one just makes no sense. It's like, I can't do it. I can't. Because to me, it just feels like, it just feels, I don't know. I just can't read that. Anyway, back to this book. I still love Ana Huang's books, but it's like this series is a little bit like meh. And then I also started, I don't know if this is her first series, but I did start, I guess, her older series. I'll show you. I started this series. What's it called? If Love, I think it's called. I don't know. But I started this, and I'm enjoying it. I also got this sprayed edges. Oh, wait, I got this for my birthday, I think. Yes. My friend got this for me for my birthday. And I love the sprayed edges. I think this is the first book that I got that has it, so it's pretty good. I love it. But, yeah, this book, it's giving high school romance, even though they're in college. I don't know. I'm still trying to get into it. I'm on page 37. But yeah, it's set in Shanghai. So I love a good change of setting, honestly. Like the location. That's where she eats, honestly, is the locations. Anyway, so that's the lovely Ana Huang. And of course, oh my gosh, of course I have to go post on TikTok right now. I've been very, very active on there, trying to be.